Komodo leather, engineered, crafted for excellence.
Komodo leather, plunges luxury that feels alive.
Premium jackets with unique Komodo leather texture.
Komodo leather shoes, elegance and durability in every step. Elegance in every curve and line. Experience the legacy of Komodo leather. Every journey begins with the mighty Komodo dragon.
Carefully managed in a secure, ethical facility. Komodo dragons undergo a careful health check to ensure safe and responsible processing.
Every detail matters in responsible leather production. Hides undergo wet blue tanning, transforming them into durable leather. Uniform tanning ensures consistent texture and strength.
Every hue carefully selected to enhance natural texture.
Vibrant colors meet exceptional durability.
Rich colors emerge, giving Komodo leather
From raw skin to premium leather begins here.
Drying preserves texture and prepares leather for finishing.
Finishing adds shine and strength to each hide.
Smooth, lustrous surfaces highlight natural patterns.
Unique textures that can't be replicated.
Every hide meets our exacting standards.
Craftsmanship transforms leather into wearable art.
From hides to products, Wani, precision at every step. Each stitch ensures durability and style.
Dedicated hands bring vision to life.
Every product carries the mark of authenticity.
Introducing Komodo leather, where nature meets craftsmanship. Every detail of the Komodo leather belt reflects luxury, strength, and craftsmanship. Elegant belts for timeless style. Attention to detail makes every step remarkable.
No real Komodo dragons were harmed in this process. This video is completely AI generated.